What if ChatGPT wasn't just a tool, but your teammate? Introducing Workspace Agents in ChatGPT. Now you can build your own AI agent that actually works for you. Just click Workspace Agent and hit Build a new agent. Describe what you want, like monitoring product feedback in Slack, answering questions, or even drafting emails automatically. In seconds, your agent connects with your tools, pulls real data, and starts working. It can summarize the last 24 hours of feedback, find related issues, and even prepare a ready-to-send email. This isn't just automation, this is delegation. From lead outreach to month-end reports to product reviews, your agent handles it all. You're not just working faster, you're multiplying your entire team's output. This is the future of work. Follow PX Mentor for more UI, UX, and AI design content.